Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking Quarry. Huskers got another win last week. That's two. Here we go. So today we're going to do a gnocchi. We're going to do a sweet potato gnocchi with sage brown butter. Here are our ingredients. I'll show you right here. I've already cooked these off. These are already, I baked them in the oven until they were tender. There's 2 sweet potatoes, 1 russet, fresh sage out of our herb garden out there, let's salt and butter. We're going to add some pumpkin spice just because we can, flour, and a little bit of other stuff. But we will see you back here in a little bit. Get this going. Alright, so now what we got going on is our sweet potatoes. And all I'm doing right now is I'm just taking the peels off of this stuff like that because we want to get to the pulp. We want to get to the sweet potato part of it. So if you roast them in the oven like I did, it just comes out like that. Squeeze the rest out like that. I'll do the rest and we'll get on with this dish. Hey, I wanted to add on that I'm doing an actual russet with the sweet potatoes to add a little bit of starchiness to it and to offset the sweetness of the sweet potato. So I'm going to finish all these up. Next time you're going to see me, we're going to do something weird. I'm going to smoke this for a little bit. Alright, I got these partially mixed together with our 1 russet and our 2 sweet potatoes. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to give this a smoke bath out in the Traeger, probably for 30 minutes. And that will help get some of the liquid out and put a little extra layer of flavor on it for us. I don't know, it might be a little weird, but we're going to try it. And see you out at the Traeger. Hey, we're back out at the Traeger. Alright, we're going to give this a little smoke to make our gnocchi, so here we go. All I got instead is on the smoke setting, and I'm going to let it go for probably 30 minutes, just to give it a little smoke. We'll see what happens. We'll see you back. Alright, we've had our 2 sweet potatoes and 1 russet potato out on the smoke. Just a smoke setting for 30 minutes. What I'm going to do now is add some fresh sage. I'd say that's 1 teaspoon. Get it all around in there. Pumpkin spice. 1 teaspoon, all around in there. 1 egg into the mix, and a little bit of delicious freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Get her in there. I might add that if you had a potato ricer, instead of just mashing them, that would work a lot better for you. I don't have one, so I'm just mashing them. It would definitely behoove you to use that. A little bit of salt, kosher salt, and a little bit of black pepper, fresh cracked. You got it. And I'm going to mix this up, and then we'll make our dough. Guys, we're going to get the dough going. I can't tell you how much it's going to take. It just depends on how thirsty your potatoes and stuff are. There's roughly 2.5 cups here. So let's get it started with, just incorporate a little. The more you incorporate it, the tougher it's going to be. So you just want to bring this mixture together. That's all you want to do. That's all your purpose in life right now, is to bring this mixture together to make a dough. And that's not working, so let's throw it away. Well, I'm going to use my hands. So here we go. It's going to get messy. I'm trying to keep my board clear for now, because I will use that to roll this dough out. So another half that mixture goes in there. Like I said, we're just trying to get this together, just to bring it together as a dough. And it's getting there. It's pretty sticky though. I thought that smoke would actually dry it out. But we're gonna use some more flour. More flour, please. All right. That should do it. It's feeling a lot better. It's feeling closer. Yep, here we go. That should do it. All right, we're getting where I wanted to be here. I wanted to show you guys. So that's working and it's coming together. It's just like if you're doing this in a mixer or something, and your dough comes together. This is what you're doing. You're trying not to overwork it at the same time. Move it over. Still a little sticky. Add just a little bit more. And we've about used it all. So, like I said, that totally depends on your potatoes, your environment, and not having a cat running around, Mr. Belvedere. Sorry, Belvedere's being a little butt, but here we go. We got it to where I kind of like it, and we will take you back here in a sec, and we'll put it on the board. We'll roll some out. All right, now we're going to take a piece of our dough, and we're going to make on a string. So in your thing here, you just roll it up like you would a cigar, like so. We're trying to get it even, so your pressures, to get it even out to the outside as you roll. So try to get a motion just about like that, and that will push your dough to the outside like so. And that will give us a nice long string of gnocchi. Sweet potato gnocchi. So what you do, take that side off. You just go, boom, 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 and so on. We'll do the whole thing here quick. Got a little fat there in the middle. That's how you do it. I'll do one or two more. We'll put it in the water. We'll do the sauce. Alright, our water is not like boiling, but it's kind of where we want it, so it will protect our gnocchi a little bit. We kind of just want little bubbles. So just get them all in there. Alright, while our gnocchi's over there cooking, we're melting a half a stick of butter. And we're going to add, which I'm going to do right now, 1 tablespoon of fresh sage, fresh sage, chiffonade, fresh cracked pepper, kosher salt. Alright guys, you can see our gnocchi is starting to float. So I'm just going to give it just a second to get the other ones to come up to the top, and then I'm going to pull those out.
You want to turn it on?
Alright guys, our butter's starting to turn brown. We'll take our gnocchi over from our boiling water. Try to drain it because it's going to pop on you. Like so. Get it in your pan. Sorry for the reach. Flips. You got it. We're going to finish it off. So you can definitely do those little fancy things off the fork with your gnocchi, make them look all pretty with the little scores in them. This works just well. Alright, now we're finishing the butter off. We started it. It cooled down a little bit when we added our gnocchi. So now we're trying to get some color on our gnocchi and trying to color our butter a little bit more. And get that sage throughout. And we're really close. And I'm trying to talk Jen into taste testing this, so hopefully she'll do it for us. Alright, so it's done. Here we go. We're going to dress it with a little bit of fresh sage. And some freshly grated Parmesan. Like so. Then we're going to have Jen taste test it. 3.
Alright, now I'm going to taste this sweet potato gnocchi. Here we go. It's still pretty hot. Yeah, it's really good.
What do you taste?
You got the sweet potato, you got the butter, sage, the smokiness, the Parmesan cheese. It's all there. Delicious.
What about pumpkin spice?
Yep.
Hey, we did it. Sweet potato gnocchi. With a little smoke on it. I'd like to thank you all again for all the support that you give me. Like, share, subscribe to Cooking with Corey, and we'll see you next week.